Listen, you cannot tell me a thing on today. I bet you that. There's nothing that's gonna be said to me. Fooling with this hair, you hear me? Baby, let me tell you something. Yes, yes, yes. This how you do a braidless crochet right here. That's all I'm saying. Come on in the room so I can tell you what's going on top of my forehead. We finna jump right into it. That's how hype I am. How your mom and them doing? Y'all all right? Y'all being good and well and wise with yourself and each other? Okay. These are Boho Locs, 24-inch Boho Locs from OMG Her Hair. This is why I'm so excited. This is my first time trying crochet braids, from OMG Her Hair. Their wigs are lovely. OMG Her Hair, yeah, they're like that. Now they branching off into crochet braids, which is always very exciting. So I was like, let me get my hands on them because y'all know, when it comes to these crochet braids, I'm not saying I'm the crochet whisper, but I can whisper with them. I done put in time to be able to say I could say a thing or two about crochet braids. That's all I'm saying. So I was like, please don't mess up your brand trying to tap into uncharted waters for yourself that you are not going to be able to. Yeah, that's how you shut me up, huh? Well, you can't really shut me up, as y'all know, because I be getting on y'all nerve talking. I do. I be getting on y'all nerves with my commentary. Whew. Let me tell you what's on top of my head. I'm gonna bring this right here because see, I don't want to get anything wrong. 2 hours, salon quality, pre-looped crochet boho locks with human hair curls. This is 2 full packs in my head and then a few of the 3 because I like mine really full. Depending on how you're doing your hair, you can get 2 packs. You can do 2 packs and be through with it, right? It just depends on what you're trying to do. But I have a whole full pack left and then at least half of another pack. Now, let me say this. The actual lock is synthetic, okay? These curls are human hair curls. Now, look, y'all, let me move. You got to move out the way, baby. There are levels to things, right? So when you wear locks and braids, etc., with human hair curls, it can be human hair, but there are degrees to it. OMG Her Hair is very high quality. This is the softest. These human hair curls, baby, when I tell you I'm so ready to come up out the water on you, I ain't want to wet it at first because I like when they look big and fluffy and ignorant. I actually had it in my mind that if these were not distressed enough, I was going to go through and distress them more, but these are perfect. These are perfect. These are perfect. Do you hear me? And these babies move beautifully. They move the way they're supposed to move because of the quality of the hair that's used. Y'all, that matters. Especially when you're dealing with locks, faux locks. Because faux locks, sometimes they can get real stiff. You feel me? Just because of the way that you create faux locks. These are synthetic fibers trying to mimic a very textured lock. Okay, y'all, these are so lovely. These are so absolutely pretty. I want y'all to try them so bad. I ain't lying. They ate with this. You can get up to 30 inches if you want to. So I did a particular braid pattern that I'm going to show you, obviously. But just in case I want to pull it up, it's going to look like individuals all along here. If I want it to look like it's a whole full crochet install, I will have my part on the left side. Look at my jewels. I have my part on the left side. It will look as if this is a 100% full all over crochet set, if that's how I want it to look, right? But if I want to get on my spicy side, I'm gonna flip it this way, big baby, and here we go. And here we go. Y'all stop playing with me in these crochet braid streets. Just joking. No one's playing with me. I'm just hyped. I'm about to get y'all to the demo. That's all I came here to say. Pay attention to the braid pattern. I'm just using the puffs. I'm using the puff and cap, puff and cap, puff and puff and puff and cap. Our illusion box is up front because why the heck not? It's going to make it look like you have individuals all up and through here when you and I both know. We both know those things. It's light. Now, the more you put in your head, the more weight you're adding. So we know that. I have a good bit in here, and it's good for me. This is very light to me. This is very light. So, oh, and I did take one of the curls, and I added a curl right here in the front because I like that little S curl right there in the front. Bam. But that's the only sort of thing that I did on that. I added my jewels. You'll see little trinkets throughout. This was so incredibly easy. I'm so hyped. OMG her hair. Yes, not only are y'all like that with the wigs, but apparently y'all are like that with crochet braids too. Congratulations, this is a great product. I personally really like it. Wait, do I have 24 inches or do I have 26? I think I have 26, y'all. I've been saying 24 this whole time. I think I have 26, baby. Yes, I have 26, but I think my bag says 24. Maybe that's what it is. I know why I'm saying 24. I have 26 inches, you guys. Forget all the 24s that you heard throughout this video, but there are 24 locks. Per bundle. That's what it's 24. I knew it. I'm like, I feel like 24 is somewhere off up in the vicinity for some reason. There are 24 locks per bundle. And these are nice size, y'all. This is so lovely. I absolutely love these locks. 26 inches is an amazing length. It's summertime. You out here. You want to put your little jewels in. You want to be fly for whoever you trying to be fly for. Including yourself. That part? Yeah. Hit that 26 on the big baby. It's a real schmexy length. My hair is still snap full long. Y'all know that, right? So this right here, I was gonna do like a little twist, like a little flat twist, but it kept unraveling because it ain't but so much hair right there. So I just did 3 little rubber bands. And then the little end that was left, I just tucked it back into this. So bam, from here on over, until the other opposite side, I was able to connect really well. So I did this so it will be braidless, cornrow-less, okay? For all of my cousins who can't braid, can't plait, all of the things, I get you. I can't braid like that. I can plait though. Now I ain't gonna sit up here and I can plait, baby. I can plait with the bed. Well, let me just pipe down a little bit. OMG her hair. Well done. Oh, I used the Slick and Slay by 𝐻𝐿 because I'm so glad God brought this back to me. I don't do tight banding, okay? And I suggest you don't either. But with that being said, sometimes the style can look loose and not as neat because if, you know, your bands are loose like they're supposed to be. Like mine are loose, y'all. Mine are loose. Well, look at it. Honey, that thing doing the 2-step right there. That's loose. You know, 𝐻𝐿 is like a mix between an edge control and a gel, so it's very easy to work with. Slicking it gives it that very neat appearance, okay, without your rubber bands being tight. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can join the family, join the fun. I had to tell y'all that, though. Don't do it tight, okay? Hold a minute.
4, 3, 2, They can stack up.